In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Chase debit PIN number. Whether you've forgotten your PIN or simply want to update it for security reasons, I'll show you the steps to easily make this change using the Chase app. First things first, you'll want to open the Chase app on your smartphone and sign into your account using your credentials. If you don't have the app yet, make sure to download it from your app store and set it up with your account information. Having the app makes managing your finances a lot more convenient, especially for tasks like these. Once you're logged in, you'll need to select the checking account that's linked to your debit card. This is crucial because the option to change your PIN is tied directly to your account. Scroll through your accounts list if necessary and tap on the correct one. Next, scroll down until you reach the Account Management section. Within this area, look for an option labeled something like Manage Account Access. It might vary slightly, but it's usually something along those lines. Tap on it, and you'll find yourself one step closer to updating your PIN. Here, you'll see the option to Manage PIN. This is where you can request a change to your current debit card PIN. Go ahead and select this option. You'll then be asked to enter your 16-digit debit card number. It's a good idea to have your card handy for this part to ensure you enter the number correctly. After you've entered your card number, follow the on-screen instructions. These steps will guide you through the process of submitting a PIN change request. It's pretty straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, make sure to double-check the details you've entered. Once your request is submitted, Chase will mail your new PIN to the address they have on file for you. This typically takes between 5 to 7 business days, so keep an eye on your mailbox. It's important to ensure that your address is up to date in their records to avoid any delays. And there you have it. Your request to change your Chase debit card PIN has been submitted successfully. Remember, for security reasons, it's advisable to change your PIN every so often and never share it with anyone. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more of our tutorials for additional banking tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.